Hello lovely, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you how I make these fluffy pancakes and also share with you few tips as to what to do during the actual frying process to make sure they come out really fluffy. So stay tuned and enjoy the video, and will greatly appreciate if you can leave a like on the page. Come on in, let's get busy. For ingredients, I have some flour, sugar, eggs, evaporated milk, nutmeg, any flavor of your choice, as well as salt. The first thing you want to do is to separate the egg yolks from the white. If you are new here, hello, please go ahead to subscribe with your notification bell on to receive more creative cooking ideas and tips. When you have finished separating the eggs, put the white one aside and add all the dry ingredients with the yolk. All the ingredients with their measurement will be in the description box. Now, to get a light, fluffy pancakes without baking soda or powder, this is what you would have to do. Pour the white into a blender with a little bit of sugar. You can also use your hand mixer to do this, but this is the quickest method. Okay, so just blend it for about 1 minute. This process ensures that we create some air bubbles in the egg, which in turn help to give that much needed rise and fluff with a perfect light texture. If you love this so far, then look out for my next pancake video because I'm working on a different approach to getting the easiest, fluffiest pancakes ever and with assorted flavors. So be sure to come back for more. So that was the blended up egg white that I just added. The milk goes in now, followed by some pineapple essence flavor. From here, we're going to give it a gentle mix, whilst at the same time ensuring it comes out nice and smooth. And this is how your butter should look like. Now that the butter is ready, brush your non-stick pan or skillet with butter or vegetable oil and heat it over medium to low heat. Your pan has to be hot, and then add about 1/4 cupfuls of the butter and cook until bubbly on the top and golden on the bottom. It will take about 3 to 4 minutes for this to be ready. And then go ahead and flip and cook the other side for about 2 minutes until it is also nice and golden. And look at the fluff at the sides. It is just perfect. And I'm going to cut one open without any maple syrup, and you'll be impressed at how fluffy the inside is. But before then, let's fry the last one. Again, the same principle, medium to low heat fry until you see bubbles on the top. Also, another clue to look out for is to make sure the top isn't too wet as before, and then go ahead and flip it over. Follow these easy steps, and as you flip, there will be no to minimum dough dripping, giving you that perfect round shape. And now look, this is what we are after. Fluffy on the inside, soft to touch, yet it is very light with a smell made in heaven. So go ahead and garnish it with your strawberries, blueberries, and pour over some maple syrup and enjoy. And it is a pleasure having you here. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end. I hope to see you again in my next video, but until then, take care and stay blessed. Bye bye.